Hey guys, it's Myiesha, Beauty Director here at Sephora, and today we're gonna be talking about lip balms, lip oils, and some hydrating glosses. These are things that you can either wear alone or you can use to prep your lips if you're gonna be wearing something long wearing like a liquid lipstick. So let's get started. The first two I'm gonna talk about are oil infused. So these are the Sephora Collection Melting Lip Clicks. They come in various colors. I have about 5 here, and I absolutely love these. Helen Phillips, the national artist for Sephora Collection, showed these to me when we were shooting the campaign for these particular lip colors, and they're just so juicy. They have the perfect amount of color, so if you're someone who likes to wear a nude lip or something that's more skin tone colored, but you don't want it to be full on, these are absolutely perfect. They have castor oil in them, and castor oil is amazing for hydration, and it's a thicker oil, so it really seals in hydration as well. So I'm really partial to the neutrals because I feel like these are sort of the lip colors that people kind of ask for. Caramel is gorgeous. It's kind of like an all-around really nice mauve lip color. This one right here, they're called lip clicks because they click for the bullet to go up, and they just have this really smooth texture. They don't have a dull shine. They're not super shiny like a lip gloss. They're that sort of perfect medium intensity shine. So our next one that has oil in it is our NARS Orgasm Oil Infused Lip Tint. So this is new and it's exclusive to Sephora. So if you like it, you better get it soon. It has this really gorgeous sort of peachy pink with gold flecks, just like the Orgasm collection always has that really nice tone to it. It's pretty sheer, I would say, but when you put it on your lips, it sort of intensifies your natural lip color. It's not a very thick sort of hydrator. You can definitely feel the oil in it. It's almost like a thickened oil versus a sticky lip gloss, which is really, really nice. But if you are a NARS Orgasm fan, you probably want to pick this up soon. So the next thing we're going to talk about are lip balms. These are some very popular ones that I've used recently. This is the Milk Makeup KUSH Lip Balm. It has mango butter, cocoa butter, shea butter, and also moringa butter. This is really great if you just want something sheer, very easy, a very stylish sort of like weighty metal case too, if you are into packaging like myself. It has a green tint to it like most of the KUSH products, but it goes on absolutely clear once it's sort of warmed up on your skin. It's very lightweight, not sticky, very easy to use on the go. So this is sort of a fan favorite. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Balm, but it's recently reformulated. It's completely vegan now, which is amazing, but it also has more of a glide to it. If you used it in the past, you know that it was more of a stiffer consistency, but now it has this really nice sort of softer consistency to it. It glides right on the lips, and it just feels super hydrating. Bite Beauty always has really great things for lips as far as their agave line goes. So if you've tried this in the past, you might want to revisit it, or if you use this on a regular basis, you might want to pick up a new one. These are the Pat McGrath Lip Fetish Lip Balms. The packaging is gorgeous. I always love the Pat McGrath lipsticks because they just have the most beautiful gold trim with the little lip on them. The lip balms are all in a white packaging. I have a few here, and this one is the clear one. It's just really light. It has a nice glisten to it as well, so you still get a little bit of shine. It's still very luxurious, and it glides onto the lips. These are great because they protect from free radicals, so they have antioxidants in them. They also have different vitamins in them to nourish the lips. My favorite thing is the finish of it. It's that perfect sort of in between a lip balm and a gloss. So I'm a stickler for packaging, so if you are too, or you just like fancy things, I have these lip balms and the YSL lip balms as well on my vanity, and they just look gorgeous, and they hydrate as well. So these are a must grab for any sort of beauty junkie out there. So there are different finishes as well. I showed you guys the clear version, which is like a really nice moisturized looking clear version. These are the satin ones I have here, but there's also sort of a pearlescent shimmery finish that you guys can check out. If you're a big fan of the Matte Trance Flesh 3 lipstick, I absolutely love it. It's like a brownish red color. There's a lip balm version of it as well. That's really, really nice. So last but not least, we have a hydrating lip gloss. This one I'm a big fan of, and I've used it for many years. This is the Dior ADDICT Lip Maximizer Plumping Gloss. This is the shade Rosewood. I use the beige one because it's just like the perfect shade of nude for me. I also have a few other ones, some pinker ones in the original as well. But this one's really nice because it plumps your lips, but it doesn't do it by sort of stinging your lips or irritating your lips. It plumps your lips by filling them up with hydration. So it has hyaluronic acid in it, which is really, really great. great for hydration. And it just gives you like this smooth sort of plump feeling. Really great to wear by itself, but also really nice to sort of prep your lips while you're getting ready for the day and putting on your makeup before you put on a full-on lip color. So this has a nice lightweight texture. It's not sticky at all. And this particular one, I would say, has the most color of the range, and it's this really nice sort of peachy pink color, and it has a little bit of shimmer, but not too much. So there you go, guys. Hopefully you feel like you have a few more options when it comes to keeping your lips hydrated, or you discovered some new fancy favorites. If you have any more suggestions or things that you use, leave them in the comment section below. And as always, please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our content, and we will see you next time, guys. Bye.